Hi guys, in the day 6 we will cover about Python loops. You know that there are different things, different topics we have discussed in previous days. This is a day 6 in which we will discuss about Python loops. You know that loops are very important in any programming language. Every programming language have concept of loops. Same like we will discuss about loops in Python course. In the day 6 loops in the Python, first of all introduce to Python loop, what means of loop, and then there are two type of loop in the Python. One of them is for loop. Inside for loop we will cover what is for loop, theoretical concept with example, syntax, and for loop programming example. Another is a while loop. What is while loop syntax, while loop programming example. And also at the end I will provide a exercise for your practice on the basis of looping concept. So this day very important because we will cover loop topic. Loop are very important, one chapter in any programming language. Actually loop is used in that situation. In that case, if you want to repeat any statement or set of statement, so any other functionality you can achieve using loop.